One side of the horseshoe pits. The other side is underwater. Docks, the approaches have all been sucked under. This is site number 28. One of the favorite sites here, Rock Creek State Park. There's the power post, and it is usually 40 feet from the water. Fire ring out there is usually 20 feet from the water. Picnic tables, little tree. Here's a shot of the road. I'll walk up on it. It's underwater here. This part of the road. This is the second road. First road's completely. Site number 30. Power post is clear out there. Picnic table. It's completely submerged. Little trees. Walking through water. I put this flag out here a couple hours ago, so it's continuing to rise. There's a dock out there. I don't know how clear. I'm walking through water on this, what is a boat ramp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 feet before my boots are almost submerged. Site number 32. This dock is normally off in this area. The dock's been all swept away. Got a couple campers down here completely submerged. 4 campers underwater. There were some pontoons tied to those docks out there, and they canoed out to them and got them. This is the normal turnaround for the boat ramp. It says no boat trailers in this area. Usually all of this is all grass out here. Full water up to second row of campsites. It's starting to rain again. 4 again. I can't even get close to these campers that are underwater. Too far. Is it?
Yep. Look on the side of right again. Oh, 4 inches.
Camp patron said it's gone down about 4 inches.
Come back in 34. Do you think that's going to happen?
Probably not.
We're in 34 now.
What a mess.